kill these people. A fearsome warrior. He demanded I tell him the tale. When he didn't hear the answers he sought, he flew into a rage and butchered them. What did he want to know? I'm not sure, my lord. Tell me the story. I need to know what he's after.
Northside, brown bag money. One time, man. They said it's more rain from the forecasters. Undercovers in the orange sided. Running surveillance, picking up your patterns. Riverside drunk at the short tavern. Pit sandwich, medium rare. Lots of the horseradish. That's a foregone conclusion. Sleight of hand cause confusion. To keep the product moving. Sitting low at the conference, running the gauntlet ruthless. About the business, what's the cost to do this? Find me counting cake. Where you at? Out somewhere by the mountain lake. We chefed it up at an astounding rate. Leave the driver sit outside the lounge and wait. Flounder with the steak. Shorty still got some powder on her face. From courtside, the cities overseas, they gon' shop. I'm about to stop, sell mixtapes, 3-minute slots. They understand, but don't feel me though. We used to keep the cheese inside the socks like Silvio.
Yo, trust is a thing of the past. Running to get to the bag. Owners cut the gas, the oven's minimally cracked. This ain't the end of the road. Cuzzo told me pick up the slack. Apply pressure, time tested, need to get me a stamp. Whosoever wakes up in war, blood stained, drained to the core. It's only right to the victors go all the spoil. Ain't got the glow, you just aluminum fall. That's all, it's all for sure, we not assuming you wrong. Play my position like a choke in a bone. Opposition, I lay him down like my vocals on songs. Every portion was heavy-handed, management reprimanded. I played at a disadvantage while taking off for the planet. I've been out of orbit, I fly, what you call it. Take a tour with the architect, see my design flawless. Look at what we started, why I left my bad conglomerate. I'm popping shit and turn the negative into a positive. Yeah.
What happened here? We were coming down the road and heard screams. By the time we got here, it was too late. We must have killed each other. No, it was a spirit. Spirit. You know some of the tale, but not all.